All right, let's repair these. And you're probably asking yourself, why would you bother to repair them? I've been wearing these boots and they're really comfortable. And yeah, I got other boots, but these are comfortable right now, so I'm going to repair them. So we're going to take a little acetone and wipe it down. Really fast. The next step, we're going to take some 80 grit sandpaper and sand it down real good. I think preparation is the main part of making this work. Because actually, I made this video a while back and I've been wearing these boots off and on since then. Wipe it down with a little more acetone. And we're going to use some Masters all-purpose cement. I think this is what everybody uses for boots and shoes to glue the soles back on. It works really good. Make sure you get a good even coat. Both sides. The sole and the boot. Now we're going to let it set till it gets tacky. Once it gets tacky, line it up. Well, I'm telling you now, if you don't get it lined up, once it's there, it's there. That stuff sticks good. Here, I'm going to take it off camera here and put it in a little shoe cobbler. I don't know what you call it. And we're going to hammer the sole down on it. I don't think it matters whether you got whatever kind of hammer, just hammer it down all the way around. You know, I didn't want to throw them out. They're comfortable. That's the thing. They're comfortable. I like wearing them. So I was going to repair them. Now take some kind of pliers and go all the way around the edge. I think this is pretty important too. Because I've been wearing these. Like I said, I made this video a while back. I've been wearing these off and on for, I don't know, last month. That's pretty much it. Give her a try. It's a cheap fix. Alright, thanks for watching.